How's it going, guys? Hockey Card World here, and today we're going to be opening 1991-92 Tomorrow Stars Today Qmjhl cards. So a bit of a retro pack opening here. What the packs look like. So I'm just going to rip these open. I'll say if there's a good card here. So far, no one really good. Jocelyn Thibault, play with Montreal. Martin Brodeur. So that might be a pretty good card there. Martin Brodeur. That's his Qmjhl card there, so he might be worth a little bit. Action guard there. Looks like a coach there. Another action card. So we pulled two players that play in the NHL. Tigers card there. I'm gonna take out these cards. Okay, so there's a lot of packs. So I'm gonna cut it here and make a couple different videos. So yeah, thanks for watching this one.